Okay guys, so in class we have been talking about text features. So that's what we're going to be working on. So you can see that it says to use a red crayon to circle bold text, so bold words. Orange is pronunciation, so it tells you how to pronounce something. Yellow for labels. Green for a diagram. Blue for heading, and purple text box. So we haven't done this in a while since we haven't been in school, but before we had talked about text features, we had made a poster for text features, so they should know how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I see a title, and since this is bold and it's big and at the top, this is actually a heading. So I need a blue marker or crayon, and I'm going to circle where it says the life cycle of a butterfly. All right, and then let's start reading. Butterflies start out as eggs. So that is a bold word, so I need a red crayon. After about 5 days, a butterfly egg hatches and out comes a tiny caterpillar. The caterpillar is very hungry when it comes out of the egg. It eats and grows very quickly. When the caterpillar is done growing, it sheds its skin and forms a chrysalis, which is also called a pupa. The chrysalis is brown or green so that it is camouflaged in nature. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar begins to change into a butterfly. This complete change is called metamorphosis. And you can see out next to metamorphosis, it tells us how to pronounce it. So that is pronunciation orange. The change happens quickly. Soon the chrysalis opens and an adult butterfly emerges. When the butterfly first comes out, its wings are damp, so it spreads them out to dry. Butterflies learn to fly quickly. After their wings have dried, then an adult butterfly lays eggs, and the life cycle starts all over again. So this is a picture of the life cycle of a butterfly. This is actually a diagram, and it says a diagram is going to be green. So I'm going to take my green and I'm going to circle it. So let's take a look. We have eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, emerging butterfly, adult butterfly. And these words are labels. And labels, it says to circle yellow. Because it tells us what each picture is. Now this is a text box. It says, like all cycles, the life cycle of a butterfly repeats itself over and over. Can you think of any other cycles? So this text box needs to be purple, but this text box is also kind of like a caption. So in class we've talked about captions and how that's kind of like you might see it on your parents' Facebook, whatever it may be, it's usually under the picture. So this diagram would technically be our picture, but it's our diagram. And here is our caption or text box. So we have found bold words, pronunciation, labels, diagram, heading, and text box. So this is what it should end up looking like. If you have any questions, let me know.